Magic Bullet is more like a magic lifesaver for me. I was looking for a new blender and it was difficult to decide given that there were so many options out there. But after reading some reviews, I ended up picking up this Magic Bullet blender, and I have to say it has completely transformed my whole kitchen experience. It effortlessly tackles everything from smoothies to sauces. It turns mundane ingredients into really like culinary delights. The compact size is deceptive. It's a beast when it comes to blending. No need to baby it, just toss in your ingredients, twist, and voila. What sets it apart? The convenience. It's multitasking marvel, simplifying my meal prep, and the cleanup is a breeze. Plus, it's portable, so I can blend and go with the flip top lid. While some folks might reminisce about past versions, this modern Magic Bullet does its job remarkably well. Ignore the naysayers. This little dynamo is a kitchen essential. Get one and blend your cravings into reality.